My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser scam that comes from the website defensepc.com. Defensepc.com is truly a deceptive website that may repeatedly attack your Google Chrome and other browsers. Defensepc.com displays a lot of fake notifications that try to encourage people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. By the way, all these pop-ups may be the result of some adware type program to be currently enabled in your computer. The adware may display itself through some random pop-ups through your hijacked browser, or the adware may be presented in the form of some standalone application. First thing you could do, of course, is to check the control panel and uninstall any programs which could be suspicious. If you find them here, get rid of them. So speaking about pop-ups by defensepc.com, do not interact with them and do not install anything that they suggest. I also recommend that you carefully research and investigate your computer, your Windows computer, with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and start carefully researching and investigating your computer to detect and delete other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.